Yeah man, greetings everyone. This is Stewie coming to you again with another video on the progress of the expansion works at the Sangster International Airport in beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. I say back again because I have been doing expansion videos at the Sangster International Airport for quite a few years now. Way back to the point where I was taking you into the bushes to show you where the bypass road would have been constructed. The bypass road had to be created when they decided to increase the length of the existing runway at the time. So what's new this time around, you might be asking? Well, it's coming up. Keep watching the video. A new entrance to the airport and also works, visible works on the main building. If you are interested in seeing those videos of the expansion of the Sangster International Airport, you can just go back to the playlist on this channel and look for expansion project videos, and that will get you up to speed. I do think the best way though to help you appreciate where we are today is to give you a quick glimpse of where we were not so long ago, then gradually work our way up into the exciting game-changing work which is happening at present. On screen you're looking at the roadway as it appeared a few years ago when entering the Sangster International Airport. This wider lane leading into the airport roundabout seemed to work fine for many years, as it took you down directly into the departures area. So straight along this roadway, who remembers that gas station on the right? So this brought us into the departures area, and then you'd loop around to the arrival section. These three wide lanes taking you down to the departure area was efficient for many years. It worked, but eventually the writing started to appear on the wall in the years leading up to the pandemic. It was becoming very obvious that Sangster's International Airport, a giant in the region with a rapid rate of growth in passenger numbers, needed necessary infrastructural changes to accommodate the ever-growing numbers. 2019 brought in a record 4.7 million passengers for the year 2019. Those kinds of numbers, along with the aging infrastructure that existed at Sangster's International at the time, brought many traffic congestions, both blocking traffic in and out of the city and in and out of the airport. So this had to be addressed quickly. Then came the fix for the traffic congestions. A third lane was added, which separated the traffic going to the departures and the cargo areas from the traffic going to arrival. This project fixed the issue of motor vehicle congestion. Even when the number of passengers utilizing the Sangster International Airport reached over 5 million, we never did see the level of congestions we have gotten used to see. With the assistance of the police and private security, the traffic situation was much improved and traffic was flowing. But the project to further improve the traffic situation had already begun behind the scenes. So here we are in 2026 and yet another project is approaching completion. Highlighted in red on the map is an additional access road, a new additional access road to the Sangster International Airport, referred to as the Western Access. This new airport entrance now creates an intersection along Godfrey Boulevard or the Gloucester Avenue, which will incorporate stoplights or traffic signals. So let's look at the physical work that's happening right now and establish how far advanced it is. Right here where I'm standing, this would be a filter lane off Godfrey Boulevard, and you can see this area would be asphalted, so it would be the filter lane which you use to make the left turn into the new entrance. We have the sidewalks completed already, and we can see the stoplight infrastructure being put in place. This roadway seems wide enough to accommodate 2 lanes of traffic going in and out of the airport. We can also see that there's proper lighting over the sidewalks on either side of the roadway. Now this roadway will take you directly down into the cargo area. So if you follow this roadway down as I zoom in with the camera, you're actually looking straight across into the cargo area. But before you enter the roadway for the cargo area, there's a right turn there which you can make. That right turn takes you back to the airport roundabout or back to the road which takes you into the departures area. Let me just take you down there and give you a first-hand view of what it looks like down there. You know how we do it on this channel. We take you up close and personal. So here we are in that area now where you would make the right turn with the cargo area directly behind me. We are now looking back up at Godfrey Dyer Drive where the new intersection is being constructed. So on this roadway which you made the turn on, the right turn, this roadway is being widened also. And this wider roadway now will accommodate the additional traffic that's coming from the new western entrance. Let me just give you another view which gives you a better idea of the true width of this roadway heading back up to the intersection. After which I'll just pause for a little bit and let you look over some of the clippings that I have from the area. After which we'll take you down now too, because if we're doing expansion works on the roadways to accommodate the traffic, what about inside of the airport, the main building itself? Don't we need additional space in there? So that's the next works I'll be taking you to, so you can see what's happening on that side also. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm sure you get the picture of the new entrance now. Let's take you down to the building and show you some works. So this area here, expansion area also. And this goes all the way around now to that immigration and security area, which is now rising above the construction zone walls and has become visible from outside. And I'm loving the new Sangster International Airport sign already, even though I can barely get a glimpse of it. But I'm loving what I'm seeing right here. This is in the late evening when the peak hour is off, so I'm just going to try to find somewhere and stop so I can show you, my viewers, a better view of the area and what's happening. I'm looking forward to see the day when the barriers are removed and this place is open. I want to see how they replace the I Love Montego Bay sign. Look at the Sangster sign there. It's just beautiful. No, we just need a better shot of this sign here. We have to get to in a better position. Wow, the signs are looking good. This thing is gonna be beautiful upon completion. I want you to just bear in mind that all the works that we show you are referred to as what is done on the land side of the airport. There's the air side of the airport, which has works which has been completed and which is ongoing, but that's for a whole different video. I can tell you there's a lot happening to this airport in its transformation, and just it was delayed by the hurricane, but it's back up to speed now and we can see the results happening in front of our eyes.